Today, we are solving one of life's most frustrating kitchen mysteries: how to hard-boil eggs that actually peel easily. No more torn whites or crumbly yolks. Just perfect, smooth eggs every time. Let's get cracking. Step 1. Start with older eggs. Here's a pro tip: slightly older eggs peel better than fresh ones. As eggs age, the air pocket inside grows, which helps separate the membrane from the shell. If you can, use eggs that are 7 to 10 days old. No time to wait? No problem, we have got tricks for fresh eggs too. Step 2. The steam method, best for easy peeling. For foolproof peeling, we are using the steam method. It's a game changer. Just add 1 inch of water to your pot, insert a steamer basket, and bring to a boil. The steam cooks the eggs more gently than boiling, which helps prevent that stubborn sticking. Step 3. Perfect timing: 12 minutes for firm yolks, 9 minutes for slightly jammy centers. Set that timer. Overcooked eggs get rubbery and are harder to peel. Step 4. Ice bath shock. Here's the secret weapon: an immediate ice bath. Plunge your eggs into icy water for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking and causes the egg to contract slightly, creating space between the shell and the white. Step 5. The roll peel technique. Now for the magic. Gently roll the egg on the counter to crackle the shell all over. Then start peeling from the air pocket end, that's the fatter side. The shell should slip right off in big pieces. Pro tip: peel under running water to help wash away any stubborn bits. Bonus tips, extra hacks for you: add 1 teaspoon vinegar to the water to soften shells. Use a spoon to get under the membrane if needed. For fresh eggs, poke a tiny hole in the fat end before cooking. And there you have it, perfectly peeled hard-boiled eggs every single time. No more frustration, just delicious egg salad, deviled eggs, or snack-ready protein. If this saves your next breakfast, hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen life hacks. Let me know in the comments, what's your #1 egg peeling struggle?